What's wrong? What's wrong?
He's really mad at me. Yeah. He wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no, it is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No. It is so sweet under.
Welcome to Amber Cove, everybody. Good morning. Oh, look at the sail in today. Today, we're in Amber Cove, coming into port. Is my mic on? Yeah, my mic's on. All right, we're at Amber Cove. We're at the top of this place with this beautiful overlook. I can't wait to show you Amber Cove. Are you ready for this tour?
Yeah, it's beautiful. I can't believe we've never been here before.
Let's just stop the rambling. Get on with this tour. Make sure you
Like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
and
Follow us on Instagram, along.for.the.journey.
link below. All right, you can see us. We're just sailing into Amber Cove today, but it's gonna be a gorgeous day for sure. Oh, look at this place here at the end of Amber Cove. I can't wait to get off this ship and explore. Just follow the path and you'll get out to the main area. These are cool. These rickshaws, they're free. All they ask for is a tip. We might have to do one of these back. Ah, here they come in droves. There's the ship, the Carnival Venezia. All right, here's where you come in. This is where you gotta cut through here. This is where you get some of your souvenirs maybe when you leave. All right, when you get off the ship, this is where you come into. This is where you're gonna see signs. There's Zone 1, Zone 5. This is where you get your excursions. Look at this, that's cool. Man, here's a cafe. I smell coffee. Oh yeah, it's a coffee shop. So you can't go wrong in here. Some good old Dominican Republic coffee. This is the Mercado. It looks like it's a straw market right here in Amber Cove. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, this is like a straw market area. Of course, they got here's a spice shop. Here's your bags. I didn't know they had a straw market in Amber Cove. Look at this place. It's got all kinds of different chocolates. Oh, there are more shops. Del Sol, I don't know, Carolola, Dominican things. I'm going in there, but right here's what's got my attention. The Dominican dancers. That's what I'm talking about right there. I tell you one thing, I'm very impressed here at Amber Cove. The shops are all AC. They got some beautiful things. Right there's the diamond store. Oh, look at these pathways here. Look at the views in Amber Cove. Out there's those bungalows you can rent. I tell you, even the restrooms are beautiful here. I'll tell you one thing, so far, we just got off this thing. We were one of the first off, but it's a beautiful island for sure. Out this way, it says Ocean View. I don't think they have a beach here at Amber Cove that I'm aware of. Oh, let's walk in here. There's the Amber Cove chair. And look at all these hammocks in here. I tell you, it's beautiful. There's the end of the zip line, which I can't wait to see. The zip line right at you. This looks like it might be a swimming area. Oh, that's where the bungalows are. And if you rent a bungalow, they're right off the cruise ship. You can see them there floating in the water. Oh, and if you have kids, they got a little play area for them right here. I see a slide, a mushroom, and a fish. This is cool for the kids. Make sure you're checking out some of my water park videos because they're a lot bigger than this one. But for Amber Cove, this is cool. Oh, and here we go. I'm going to be getting one of these, I hope, later. They got a Nathan's hot dog stand. There's some of the prices. 2 hot dogs for $17, 1 for $13. Nathan's, right on this island. And if you follow this sign, you'll find that Nathan's truck I just showed you. All right, you can see from their main pool, it kind of like goes around here. I don't want to call it a lazy river because it's no moving water, but you can cruise around this pool for sure. And right here is the slides. I think they got 2 slides. All right, here comes the end of the tube. I can see somebody splashing. Oh my goodness, that thing's fast. It's recommended you go on early to avoid the crowds. Here comes somebody else. Holy crap, man. All right, now this is a VIP rent area. A little tip. The charge for this, I think it was $150 for 2 couples, 2 umbrellas, and 4 chairs. So it does have easier access, but if you get here early, as you're gonna see over here, we got our chairs. And if you rent one of the other ones, you can just get an umbrella for 22 bucks. That's a lot better than 75, but maybe you want to come in this area. Oh, look, there's the swim up bar. Oh, and they got a top deck up there. That's cool, right? And there's the inside of that swim up bar. And if you turn around, here's these bungalows you can rent that actually overlook the pool area. You kind of go up steps, but you see what's up there on those umbrellas? They got misters on those things. And down below, you got your own hammock. So here's what I'm talking about. We just got these 4 chairs along the water. Over there's the VIP side, but just get an umbrella. Right by the pool area, they got a bar and a restaurant. Look at this guy, he's chopping up the coconuts already. And this is the restaurant here, and there's the bar. That's where everybody wants to be. Morning. This has got everything right here. It's a cool little place, but look up at the ceiling. All kinds of coconuts, fish hanging out. This is the fish spa. You gotta try this in Amber Cove. These fish look hungry. They got a fish spa. It's called the Caribbean Fish Spa. Look at all these hungry fish. I can't wait to get in there. My wife is gonna do this. The name of this fish is a Gara rufa fish. I guess you gotta get your feet. They put food on your feet, honey. Here's the sign. It says, I don't tickle. Well, maybe just at first. I don't hurt because I have no teeth. Looks like at first they scrub you down. Make sure you don't have any suntan lotions on there. I guess you get a free shower too. Oh, they're attacking you. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh! It doesn't hurt, it's just creeping me out a little bit.
Look at all of them on there, hun.
No, I can't look.
Look.
I can't.
Oh my gosh. They are tearing into her feet.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, you're bleeding, hun.
They don't have no teeth.
You're bleeding.
They don't have teeth.
All right, there's my wife in the fish spa. You see him cleaning her feet? But look at the view behind there. I tell you, want to treat yourself to something? Come to the fish spa. Oh, look up here. They got a sky bar up this path. Make sure you're taking this path because the way I understand, it takes you to the top and it's the best overlook on this entire island. And as you're walking up, you'll learn about this place. Here's some of the animals that live around here. All right, we're making our trek up here. I'll tell you one thing, it's very shady, and a little cooler in here than where the sun is. Right down this area is where the pool is. There's the cabanas, floating cabanas right there. Oh, we keep going up. I'm starting to see the cruise ship come into focus. All right, when you get to the top of the steps, you got this place. I think this is the overlook area. Oh my goodness. You gotta come to the top of this hill. This is insane. Wow. Right there's all the shops, that little circle area. Of course, you know what that is, but look at this bar up here. Spectacular views.
It's gorgeous. Everything's beautiful. I can't
Oh
believe
my
it.
gosh. And make sure you're walking up to this area because it's beautiful. This hilltop 360-degree
Yeah.
view, whatever it is. And Amber Cove is, I think it's a 340-acre resort. And I think it's in the Dominican Republic.
Yes.
I'll make sure.
Yeah.
Is
It
that right?
Yeah.
All
yeah.
right.
Dominican Republic.
All right. And also, when you get to the top here, this is where the zip lining begins. I can't wait to show you this zip line. Wonder if I can walk back here. Look at these views. All right, look here. This is the views of the zip line. I don't know if you can see the one building over there. That's where this thing stops all the way across. I'll point here once I stop, but here's where you start. I see a green light and a red light, but right over there, right about there, that's the stopping point. Man, I might have to do it. I don't know. Here we go, right down.
You're absolutely right. Have you seen the
All right, you just saw us hike up that hill, but on the other side, there's just a gradual grade. You can just walk up like this, wheelchair accessible. And as you can see, here's those huts I showed you that overlook the pool area. You gotta walk up this path, or they might even have some kind of service to come up here. Oh, no, wait, this is the water slide entrance. There's where you go. Red light now. And there's the price all day for $5. And I showed you the zip line. That's $28 for all day. Still not a bad deal because it's unlimited. And when you get to the bottom of the hill, it just drops you off right where the main pool area is. And that's where the slides come down. That's the VIP area. Coco Cana, that's the name of the restaurant and the lounge. And you go over on the other side, there's a little gradual way to get in this pool. Oh, and they got loungers here. There we go, fun Italian style. This is the Carnival Venezia in port in Amber Cove. Oh man, look at what are those? Those are those empanadas? Bean to bar. Let's see what this is all about.
Very good chocolate. Come to the eye to try the delicious
This is Dominican
chocolate.
chocolate. It's chocolate organic.
Oh yeah? Smells
Delicious.
delicious.
You can smell it, you can feel it, taste it. Look with the camera. Let me explain. This our Dominican chocolate is 70% cacao organic. It's a pure bottle. It has a lot of vitamins.
Yeah?
In the same way you can make it, my friend, with hot water, hot milk. You can put it with coffee. You can put a little rum for a hotel.
Yeah, that
You like to
sounds
drink?
good.
Yeah. It's very famous here in DR. We make it here in DR.
Oh yeah, look at this Dominican chocolate store. You talk about candy, they make all their chocolate right here in the Dominican. Look at this thing, pressing it back here. Oh, that looks awesome. All right, there's Island Treasures, T-shirt Island, but I want to see what's out here. Oh, it's the Amber Cove sign. That is a must. So this is as far as it looks like you can go. I wanted to go out by that tower, but I think that's a hotel. I don't think you can get out there. All right, right here's another Caribbean bar. Let's see what this looks like inside. Oh, what a view. This is up at the other end. of the port, where the Amber Cove sign is. There's that bar restaurant I just showed you inside, but look at the palms outside. Oh, look at this gift store. All kinds of stuff. Bags, shirts. All right, this is cool. It's right in the gift shop area. It talks all about the Dominican Republic, their history. Step back in time. All right, look at these movies that were filmed here in the Dominican. Jurassic Park, Rambo, The Godfather. There's the Shark Attack gift shop. Look at this place. Anything Shark Attack related in here, this is really cool shop. Oh, look at this area back in here. Looks like some waterfalls. Look at this. Goes all the way up. Oh, this is so neat. It's like a walking path, like you're in a rainforest. Check out the waterfall when you're here. Oh my God, look at these orchids. These are beautiful. Right next to the waterfall, another waterfall. You know you're in the Caribbean when you see orchids that are growing in the wild. Oh, and they got drink stations all over this island. Look at this. I don't know what those are, local beers. Is that straight?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
My buddy chilling in the pool. All right, we just got the famous fish at the Coco Cana Lounge. Apparently it's famous here. Puerto Plata. Oh my God, look at them fish and chips. They do look amazing. Here comes the zip line right at you. All right, we had a fantastic day at Amber Cove. I can't wait to show you and get back here one day. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get out of here. Thank you, Amber Cove, for your hospitality.
It's so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty,